Hey y'all! So yes, I'm finally making the blueberry muffins by Dolly Parton. So let's get started. So it comes with the batter, the muffin mix, and the topping mix. So it calls for 2 large eggs, a half a cup of milk, and a half a cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of oil. I didn't have any. I had a little bit of I had a little bit of cooking oil, so I used that, and I used I can't believe it's not butter, and melted it because technically that is oil, just like margarine is oil. I could have used margarine, but I don't have any margarine, so I used that, and it worked out fine. So I noticed with her batter, it's good to start off with a spoon versus a whisk because with the whisk, it gets all clumped up and stuck in the beginning. So start off with a spoon first, and then whisk it. You know, beat it and all that. But I keep on making that mistake because I made the mistake with her brownies as well, using the whisk instead of doing the spoon first. But now I'm putting it in my I have a mini muffin pan that wasn't working out, so I started doing it with a smaller spoon because as y'all can see, the batter was like really thick. It wasn't like really smooth, but that's how it's supposed to be. And far as the topping mix, it called for just melted butter in the topping mix. So all you do is put melted butter, well, the topping mix, and then you're going to put some melted butter and stir it up. So that's the topping mix, and a half a cup of melted butter, and you just stir it up. And it was so crumbly, it was like a mess with the the topping mix. I think I probably should have used more butter, like melted butter on top of the muffins, and then put the topping mix because it was crumbly and it was all over the place. But y'all see how it came out as I'm putting it on there. As y'all can see, it's like it was just going everywhere. And once I took the muffins out the pan and put it in like the cake container, it just was everywhere. But let's try it. Hey y'all, I'm a little under the weather, but let's try these blueberry muffins from Dolly Parton. Blueberry muffin or bread mix. Let's try it. Mmm. The crumble, the topping, it don't really stay on. I'm gonna try to put some more butter to make it stay on, but this is delicious. Okay. You redeemed yourself again, Dolly Parton. I'll give him a 10. 10. They up there with the pancakes and the cornbread. Mmm. Oh, good. Get your tongue. Mmm. Yeah. Blueberry muffin or bread mix. Walmart or Amazon.